on wash day, one of the best investments you can make is a good detangling tool to make detangling easy and reducing frizz. The Tangle Teezer wide tooth comb is perfect for detangling my curls quickly, and it glides through my hair with less pulling and tugging. This comb has two different sides. The shorter side has two-tier teeth, which are perfect for providing a deeper detangle and to help eliminate stubborn knots and remove the shed hair, while the long side has wide set teeth that are sturdy to detangle hair gently but effectively, and also helps to reduce breakage and is very gentle on the hair and scalp. Now, to me, it's very important to have a good detangle on your wash day because it also does to help eliminate frizz. If you are using good products and detangling your hair properly, it will help in the styling process, which will overall help the outcome to be less frizzy and more defined. Now, I did like to use the two-tier teeth on the shorter side to actually detangle my hair after I had thoroughly detangled it with the longer side to make sure that I did detangle thoroughly and there were no more knots or anything. And here's a little tip. I also feel like the shorter side kind of defined my curls pretty well because they were more popping once I used the shorter side. Now you guys can just see that bounce back, bounce back. Okay, the hair was looking so good. So now I'm going to move on to my styling process and show you guys how I use this comb in the styling process as well, because it is also very essential for eliminating frizz and making sure your end styles are highly defined. Now, one tip that I do want to give to eliminate frizz is always to apply some type of product in the shower before stepping out. I already applied my leave-in, and then I'm going to making sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled one more time with the comb, and then I'm going to start my sections with the twist out. Also, a big tip is to work in smaller sections and use a tool that's going to actually define your curls. And that's why I did like to use the side of the comb with the two-tier teeth, because like I said, I feel like that side actually does help with the definition of my curls. So after, I'm going to start with my two-strand twist, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how my hair came out, popping results. Also, when I'm halfway done the twist, this is a pro tip that I always tell you guys: make sure that you are detangling halfway down. This helps the definition, and also it helps for your end results to be less frizzy because you did detangle thoroughly. So now it's time to get into the popping final results. And baby, you need to get this Tangle Teezer wide tooth comb right now. The curls are popping.